you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be if I leave tonight?
Are you looking for better ways to take care of your eyes? Our eyes is undeniably one of the most important senses in the body. Having poor vision can affect a person's quality of life significantly. In today's video, I will share with you this amazing recipe packed full with vitamin C and antioxidants to keep your eyes healthy and sharp. And so if that's something that sounds interesting to you, then keep on watching.
I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you.
Hello lovelies, welcome and welcome back to UZL TV. I hope you guys are doing great. A lot of the time, bad eyesight is usually almost attributed to age and constantly straining of the eyes with technological gadgets. But in reality, the health of our eyes is dependent hugely on our diet. You see, I love nature and natural living because in it, we find healings and solutions for any ailment. So let's get started and I'll share with you the ingredients needed for your eyes. So the first ingredient we are going to be needing is bell peppers. Raw bell peppers are packed full with vitamins A and C, thereby providing the body nutrients to function well. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin, which are the two vital carotenoids responsible for keeping your eyes healthy, sharp, and happy. The next ingredient is berries. Now, these fruits pack a punch when it comes to your overall health and your overall wellness, but particularly for your eyes, they also contain lutein and zeaxanthin in addition to zinc, vitamin C, E, and A, all of which helps to maintain your eyes, especially as you age. Berries can also significantly reduce your risk of cataracts, glaucoma, inflammatory eye diseases, and so on and so forth. I am using strawberries today, but feel free to use any berries of your choice. Next is mixed nuts. Vitamins E found in nuts and seeds protects the cell membranes in your eyes and also free radicals. It also slows the progression of cataracts. When you're choosing your nuts, opt for sugar-free or salt-free coated nuts. Those are more beneficial to your health. You can also get a healthy dose of vitamin E from foods like wheat germ, hazelnuts, peanut butter, sunflower seeds, flax seeds, almonds, walnuts, a lot of them, hazelnuts, and even chia seeds. Okay, there are a plethora of nuts to choose from here. To this recipe, we can also go ahead and add 1 teaspoon flaxseed. The next ingredient is 1 cup of yogurt, preferably Greek yogurt. Yogurt contains an antioxidant known as riboflavin, which may help protect against damaging free radicals in your eyes. Diets high in riboflavin have been associated with reduced risk of developing cataracts. We can also add 1/2 cup of almond milk to this recipe. Make sure to wash your fruits and your veggies very well, especially with the red bell peppers. Be sure to take out the seeds. For the berries, take your time to also wash it very well. All we need to do now is to chop our bell pepper berries with nuts, whatever nuts of your choice. I'm using a 1/4 cup of nuts here and 1 cup of your yogurt, preferably Greek yogurt if you have that handy, and then 1/2 cup of almond milk. So throw all of this into your blender. Blend.
Would you follow me or would you let it be if I leave tonight? We could do this
And serve.
the remedy, or would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be if I leave?
When it comes to matters of the eyes, eating a balanced diet consisting of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, proteins, and healthy fat provide you with all the nutrients needed for your eyes and for the rest of your body as well to function at its utmost. Remember, you've got only a pair of eyes, so treat them with the best care possible. I have a lot of videos here on the channel with interesting topics. I would like for you to check them out as well. And until I come your way next time, folks, keep loving, keep serving, and keep staying positive. Bye for now.
Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her. I can see that you miss me.